Hey Specky fans, hey Pocket Rocket fans. In this little vid, we're going to look at two asteroids games for the Spectrum. First, we'll look at Planetoids by Scion, and secondly, we'll look at an independent game by Ian Collier for Your Spectrum magazine. Now, Collier's game doesn't have an official game art, so I've made that one, but the Planetoids one is the correct one. Both games have good and bad points, mainly focused around the speed and the key placements for your controls. So, without further ado, let's look at Planetoids by that great little company, Scion. And now Ian Collier's Asteroids game. So yeah guys, in my opinion, the Asteroids game by Ian Collier is spoilt by when you when you boost forward, it's too quick. You can't control it. I had to use an emulator to slow the cycles down. However, you can choose the keys, and I like the sound, and its hyperspace is really quick. Planetoids, you can't choose your keys, but when you boost forward, you can control the pace of boost by just touching it or holding the key for longer. Poor key placement, but I think that this Planetoids is just a bit more playable than the Asteroids game because it runs normally. It's just too quick on the Asteroids. Although I do like the look of the Asteroids game, it reflects the original, vector graphics of the arcade, the silver graphics, not the colored graphics.